1, poor night's sleep shows that you change your fundamental total brain electrical function. You reduce your mood and you reduce your focus from 1 night's sleep. Oh my God, did I really say that today? Oh my goodness, did I actually get reactive to that situation? What was I thinking? Sound familiar? Maybe it's just me. But anyway, the point is that that switch will not switch off until it's got deactivated by all these excitatory things have got to be diminished to the point where that switch will switch off and start this amazing dance of your sleep architecture.